Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the voice chat on your PlayStation 5 if it's not working. Let's press the PlayStation button and then going down to Game Base, and then I'm going to start up a party. So let's go to Start Party, and I'm just going to make this closed right now. And then I'm going to go over to the three little dots right here and select this. Now, the first thing is to make sure your audio balance is leveled out here. So if you have it too far to the left, this is just going to fix the game sound and make that louder, so your party chat will be nearly impossible to hear. So if you want more party chat, go to the right so you can actually hear people speak. So typically I just leave this right in the middle. And then we have mute all. Make sure this is not turned on. Otherwise, you won't be able to hear anyone speak. So if it's to the left, you're good. And if it is muted, you will have this little microphone symbol through your name as well as everyone else. So let's go to the voice chat settings, and there's one important setting under here. And if we go to this, this will allow you to share your voice. So if we go to share voice right here, if my friend is making a video clip or if they're live streaming, my voice will be included in their clip. So you can just turn that on right here. And then here's the mute game voice chat sound setting as well. So we got that. And then we got this allowed too if we want to share a voice with that. And then we can back out of here. And then there's one more setting we want to make sure is turned off so we can actually hear people. Go to sound, and then we have the mute game voice chat as well. We just saw the setting on the last page, but it is also right here. Make sure this is turned off. Otherwise, when people speak in game chat, we won't be able to hear them. And this is actually an issue I had at one point. I had this setting enabled, completely forgot I had it turned on. And I tried to talk to one of my friends in the game, and I wasn't able to. Eventually, I had to add him to a party. So I found out that was the issue. Now, another thing is we got controller speaker. If you're trying to talk to people through your speaker as a microphone, just make sure this is turned up loud enough. Otherwise, you're not going to hear them speak. Sometimes I don't use a headset. I just use my TV and my controller, and that is an issue for me. So you got the sound adjusted, and everything is turned on in the settings. We can go to settings now and just go to users and account, and just make sure you have all the licenses restored on your PlayStation 5. Sometimes there might be an account sync issue with your game causing issues. Just go to all your games and go to restore licenses on the right, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.